Okay, another video. Today I'm in Valdegrana and at Los Torunos Natural Park. So let's have a look and see what we can find. Hola, esa Cari. Caddies have got the match today in the King's Cup, and that's basically like in Newcastle. We used to walk around tsunami. Here it's SAK away. So I'm going to take a walk over this way because there's some birds I want to see. So we're going to walk over here, and you can see how beautiful it is. It's stunning. There's down here, you've got like a little hut or a little cabin with little portholes. You look through and you can see these birds, you can see the nature. It's amazing. And look at this, perfect for families, for the kids. So I'm just trying to think, which way do I go? I think there's a path somewhere around here. Aye, down here. Over here we have the beach, the playa. Okay. So, observatory, so you can look. So this is what we're looking for. Can you see this on here? Okay, so a couple of the birds I'm going to look for. So we're going to walk down here. I love a day like this when the sun's shining. It's still cold, but the sun's shining. And listen, you can hear the birds. Isn't that just incredible? So I'm following the path. This place, I came here once. I made a big mistake in the summer by wearing flip-flops, and you can see on the floor my feet were dirty and things sticking on them, not good, in my toenails. So yeah, let's keep going. Yeah, okay, we're gonna follow this way. I think this is the path. Oh, lots. See the birds over there in the tree? Okay, we're going to go closer. So come with me, yeah? Follow me, this way. I have a little hideout we're going to go to. And don't worry, if my mask keeps dropping, as you can see around here, okay, there's no people. You can't, so I haven't got the virus, but if I did, I couldn't spread it here anyway, which is good. So don't worry if my mask drops down, there's no problem here. I make sure when I'm around people that my face is properly covered. Right, this way. I'm sure I've been here once before, and I'm trying to remember where I went. So you got cyclists going along, big cycle track going from here all the way down for about 10 kilometers. What a beautiful sound, yeah? This is where I'm going. I hope. It looks like it's seen better days. So I have to walk around to get in there. Right, let's... I can't go that way. So I'm trying to get around to look in here. So where's the entrance? Or it's around there. Okay, I'm gonna walk down here. It's a bit overgrown. No, I'm not going to walk down there. I think I'm lost in the jungle. Oh, see up here to feed the birds. So that must be to keep them here. Hoping I can get a close-up view. So let's walk this way. Wow, this is... it's all overgrown. David Bellamy would love this. He'd be, look at the growth here. Look at the branches. But I can't find the way around. This is incredible. It really is overgrown. I don't want to keep walking through here because it's crazy. I don't think I'm going to get in there because it's the other side of here and it's just bushes. That's a disappointment. Okay, let's have just one last look. See if I can get around. See if I can get around the side. See if I can sneak in. I don't know what's happened here, but this is a great. Yeah, that's blocked off there. Because the idea is you go in here, and there is around there. Okay, let's see if. Nope, it's all, let's see, blocked off. You can't get in. Okay. Wow. But the idea is you'd be here and you'd be looking up at the trees, looking at the birds. So you can have a little look in here. Disappointed there because I was really looking forward to that. Okay, am I still recording? I can't see. Yes, I am. Awesome. Okay. Ooh. Okay. I'm going to take you across to the river. But you can imagine here, another time of year, hiding in here. Oh, can I go this way? Let's just try something. I didn't try before, but I'm going to give it a bash. I don't want to give up. No, can't get through there. Okay, let's head towards the river. We're going to the river. And into the river we'll dive. Maybe not, because it's going to be a bit chilly. Okay, now I'm gonna head this way, or maybe not. I think I'll have to go back the way I came. So just enjoy the splendid greenery. I think now, this time of year, the footpaths are a bit overgrown. Also in the summer, because you're quite close to the water, the marshes, the moisture, you have to be careful for the mosquitoes. Now, is it this way? Is that the path? Wow, it's so overgrown. So what do you think? Is this cool here? Is it nice? You like it? So imagine you live here. You've got this over here, the beach. So it's very nice. Okay, I'm going the correct way. Is this the path to the entrance? No. maybe in the summer. Okay. I'm hoping to see some giraffes and elephants today. I've been told they come here at the weekend just for a little day trip. Okay, where's this path going to lead us? Oh, look here. What do we have here? We have, it's overgrown. It's a no entry path. Welcome. Bienvenido. Here we go. I found it. We're here. Now we have to be quiet, okay? Quiet. So we're going to go in here. Okay, so don't make a noise. Shh. Let's have a look. So we have the portholes here. Okay, so hopefully we saw something there. Okay, let's go back now and go to the river. Okay. So now I'll try not to get lost and go the right way. One thing these masks do as well is they keep the cold air off your face. Okay, let's go back. Whew. But for me, a big problem is I struggle breathing with wearing the mask. So it's quite nice to be here at the moment. So let's keep going. Go back, because I want to take you to the river. Okay? So it took a while, but I found it. I found the little observatory. Okay, now I'll put my mask back up to cover. Okay, because we've got people around here. Lovely area this. It's beautiful. And a warmer day, you can have a nice picnic with your family here. Seesaw, swings, slide, climbing frame. Perfect. Okay, gonna go this way down towards the river. And into the river we dive. Whoa, down to the river we ride. Okay, so where we're gonna head is just over here. And I'm gonna show you some crabs. Literally thousands of crabs you're gonna see. You see how popular this is as well for people, tourists. You see the backpackers, signposts. Okay, let's keep walking. So yeah, looking good, looking good. So let's keep going. Also, you've got the river. Okay, Gradulete over there. and people, they go canoeing, water sports, etc. You can see on a sunny day like this, it's just amazing. I think this is only my second time here. Don't know about now, but in the summer you have like a train going up and down. So where we're going is over yonder, where you've got the bridge. Bit of a low tide. So we can hopefully see the crabs. You've got the Cadiz Bridge over there, the 1812 bridge, Le Pepe. It was meant to be opened for the bicentennial in 2012, but it was delayed to end of September, beginning of October 2015. Ah, bit of a wind now, bit of a breeze coming up. Okay, I'm going to walk over here just to make sure this is still recording. It hasn't turned off or anything, because I can't tell with the sunlight. Let's have a look. Yep, still recording. Brilliant. Perfect. So you can see over here. So this park it's a big area. I think they have a market over there as well on a Sunday morning. Okay, so this is where we're heading. This will be the last stop of my adventure today. Like I said, no one around me, it's safe. I'm okay not having the mask falling off. Now, we are going to see some crabs, I hope. I hope my camera will pick them up. Look at the view of the downriver. Is that just stunning or what? I'm actually feeling quite warm now because I've got my hoodie on, scarf, and down here this is where you're going to see we get the crabs. I'm really hoping you're going to be able to see them because I love it. It's amazing, especially as the tide's out. Okay, let's have a look. I have to go a bit further along. Let's go crab hunting. Gotta hold on to my hat with the wind now. Don't want to go blow away and tear this whole town apart. Take a knife and cut this chain from my heart. Right, I'm just looking. But I don't know, it might be this time of year. The crabs might have gone on holiday. Yeah. Well, when I was here before, but it was summer, all over it was just crab city. So I'm not an expert on crabs, so I don't know why they aren't out. Anybody an expert on crabs? Because I can't see any crabs. When I was here in the summer, they were everywhere. But just enjoy the view. No crabs, so it's a shame. So I hope you all have a good day when you see this, whatever you're doing, and see you next time. Off? I can't tell. No, it's not off. Okay, let's try again and turn this off.